Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. So this past week, we had the opportunity to examine foundational ethical theories as well as foundational ethical principles. And now we are headed into Module 2, and we are going to be looking at other concepts, including health-harming doctrines, as well as social and structural barriers to health. Now, one of the topic areas in the readings for this week is healthcare reform, as well as the impact of healthcare reform on healthcare delivery, payment access, as well as quality of care. I do want you to be aware that this textbook was published in 2019. There is not a new edition yet available, and a lot has happened in the past 4 years, so I would encourage you to seek other resources on healthcare reform as you complete your readings and address the discussion questions for this week. We will also look across the health justice textbook this week, and we will focus on topics including discrimination as well as bias. We know that both bias and discrimination prevent us from achieving the democratic ideals of health equality as well as justice upon which our nation was founded. My hope is that by the end of this unit, you will leave with a better understanding of both implicit and explicit bias. Unfortunately, we know that implicit bias is a key mechanism people use to excuse discrimination among various groups, including those in poverty. I would encourage you to think about what are some interventions that can be implemented to decrease implicit bias in your healthcare setting or organization. I would also encourage you to think about the no duty to treat principle, as well as the exclusion of poverty from protection under the Constitution, and what those mean to you and the populations you serve in the community. Consider this, how can we grant poverty special status? How do we do this? We will also take some time to discuss the negative constitutional rights versus the positive constitutional rights in the United States. What are the objections and how do we address these objections? So a number of important concepts and terms across the readings for this week, and many of this information will be integrated into assignment 1 and assignment 2. So a good understanding of the concepts across these chapters are critical as you demonstrate your understanding online and through accomplishment of the assignments. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you online. Thank you.